My son is always begging me to make these blueberry scones. They're everything you want, light, fluffy, and packed with juicy blueberries. I've always loved scones. They are quick and use ingredients I almost always have. These start with the lemon sugar, which is finely grated lemon zest rubbed into granulated sugar. Then we'll add flour, baking powder for some airiness, and salt. When that's combined, cut in cold butter. I'm using my inexpensive handheld pastry blender, but you can do this by hand or in a food processor. When the butter looks crumbly, pour in cream and vanilla, then bring the sticky dough together. Finally, toss in some blueberries and be ready for some to smash. It's fine. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and push it into a circle. Cut it into 8 triangles, aim for even pieces, but if you end up with a giant one and a tiny one, welcome to the club. If you're feeling fancy, sprinkle a little coarse sugar on top before baking, then slide them into the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Once they've cooled a bit, drizzle with lemon glaze. Just powdered sugar, lemon juice, and vanilla. Totally optional, but I can never resist.